Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecilia Ho, and my YouTube channel is Cecilia Ho's World. I talk about healthy meal, healthy drink, how to make healthy drink, healthy meal, how to do DIY home decor on budget, and also I talk about different life hack video log. And for today's video, I'll actually be talking how to make cucumber face serum. Cucumber face serum, we all know that even at the beauty spa they use cucumber a lot. You can use it to get rid of dark skin. You can use it to even tone your skin. You can use it to get a glowing skin, to get rid of hyper-pigmentation. And today I'll be making a cucumber face serum, which you can actually use on all different types of skin color. And you can use it on your children. You can use it for adults. On adults, it's safe, it's good, it's made from natural ingredients. And let's dive in. And the next thing I'm going to do now is I'll cut my cucumber and I'll blend the cucumber using this witch hazel. In this bottle, what I have here is witch hazel, and I'll strain out the contents and mix it with my 100% soothing gel, aloe vera soothing gel. Let's dive in. So here's the quantity of cucumber I'll be blending, and I'll be blending it with this witch hazel and strain out the content of the cucumber to make the face cucumber serum. And yeah, so I'm adding witch hazel to blend this cucumber, and I'm making cucumber face serum. So here's the cucumber blended with witch hazel, using witch hazel, and I'm just gonna strain this, and I'll be using these contents, the cucumber liquid, to make the cucumber face serum. And the quantity of the cucumber you'll use depends on the quantity of the face serum you want to do. But I will advise you make something you can use within 2 weeks because there is no preservative agent in this.
Go.
So I have the cucumber strained out. This is the cucumber. I blended it with witch hazel. And I'll be adding the 100% aloe vera soothing gel. I'm making cucumber face serum, and the quantity of the aloe vera gel you'll be adding depend on the quantity of what you're making. So now I'm making the face scrub.
No. Go.
So here's the cucumber face serum that I made using cucumber and 100% aloe vera gel. And here's the final look. This can be used to skin tone and also to get rid of dark pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, and to look young. Try this, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecilia Ho's World, so that you can be notified each time I upload video like this. Thank you. Bye.